7 reasons why I love baking soda. Baking soda has various benefits for hair, skin, and body, including killing bacteria, cleaning germs, and reducing swelling. However, excessive use can be harmful, so it's essential to test it on a small area of skin first. Baking soda can effectively treat acne and pimples by cleaning germs and reducing inflammation, improving the skin's acid level, and preventing breakouts. Baking soda can brighten yellow teeth by removing stains and fighting plaque. Use it sparingly to avoid damaging the enamel. Baking soda is excellent for soothing sunburns, relieving burning and itching, and helping sunburn blisters dry out quickly. Baking soda can improve skin complexion by removing dead skin cells and balancing the skin's acid levels for a brighter and even tone. Baking soda is a natural way to eliminate body odor by absorbing sweat and killing odor-causing bacteria. Baking soda can help get rid of dandruff by cleansing the scalp and removing flakes when applied once a week. Baking soda can combat smelly and oily hair by reducing oiliness and fighting bad odors.